How to enable two-factor authentication on Snapchat. First of all, let's navigate and open the Snapchat app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to open the profile page. Now here, tap on the gear icon to open the settings in the top right corner. Once the settings open, find and tap on the two-factor authentication option. Tap on continue to proceed. Now choose a verification method. You can select SMS verification or authenticator app or added security. If you choose SMS verification, enter your phone number and tap verify. Next, enter the received code and it will automatically complete code verification. If you choose an authenticator app, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up using an authentication app like Google Authenticator. Apply the code from the Google Authenticator app and continue to verify. Once verified, Snapchat will confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled. And that's it. Your Snapchat account is now secured with two-factor authentication. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.